Instagram's Reel feature is the most entertaining, easiest, and the coolest way of sharing your favorite moments and your favorite videos with your followers around Instagram. Want to learn how to make Reels on an Instagram? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, if you do not have a feature of Reels on your Instagram, make sure to make your app updated, which will automatically provide you this Reel feature. So go to your account once again. On the bottom center, just next to magnifying glass, you can see an option of Reel. Tap on it.
Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it.
So these are the reels that you can swipe up and watch them one by one, just like this. Even like them, share them, or comment on them. But if you want to create of your own, all you have to do is tap on this camera icon on the top right corner. So you can see that this is a reel feature. Here you can select the suggested audio on the top and even add your favorite music to it, increase or decrease the speed, add a filter, and even write some of the text in the video, use a collage, and use a timer as well. First of all, let me start with selecting one of the suggested audio so that we can make our reel more interesting. Tap on suggested audio on the top.
Touch it, touch it, touch it. Shut up and bend over.
Tap on done option in the top right corner if you are okay with this audio. You can either shoot a video at the moment or capture one or select one from the gallery. If you want to select one from the gallery, tap on this gallery icon on the bottom left corner with an addition sign on it. This will take you to your own gallery images. Here you can choose the video, which should be maximum of 15 seconds, or either you can add up to it later on. So I'm going to select one of the video from my gallery just like this. So if you're okay with it, tap on add on the top right corner. If you want to add more video and make it up to 15 seconds, since it is not a 15 seconds and just of 7 seconds. So you can add on it, and if you want to shoot it, you can shoot at the moment or select 5 seconds video at the moment. So I'm going to shoot by tapping on this capture on the bottom center once again. So you can see that just by doing it, you have made a 15 seconds video. Now you can add a different music or even speak over it by using the mic icon, use a filter, or add a text to it. I am going to add a text to it by tapping on the screen. You can write here anything. So let me write something to make it more interesting. So when you're done doing all, you can tap on the stick option in the bottom right corner, or even you can adjust the scale by trimming it by using the scale just like this, by sliding it left to right. But if you're okay, tap on the stick option in the bottom right corner. So you can see that you're all set for adding it. Tap on next option in the bottom right corner. If you want to add a caption, you can tap on write a caption and add a caption to it as well. You can see that even you can choose a cover by tapping on this cover option. You can move it and choose one of the best cover for your video. I'm done selecting it. When you're done, tap on done on the top right corner. You can see that your followers can see your reel in their feeds and on your profile. You can even crop the profile image by tapping on crop it. You can move it just like this and adjust it as per your wish. Tap and tick on the top right corner when you're done. Tap and tag people below to tag someone from here. If you know I want to add one of the account just like this, you can select them, and even you can tag another person by tapping on it. But if you're okay, you can go back and tap and tick option on the top right corner when you're done. So you're all set for sharing it, or even you can save it as a draft as well. But I would really want to share it, so I'm going to tap and share on the bottom. You can see that it's all set and it's being processed for being shared. So it's almost done, just wait for it. So it is, it had just finished up. You can scroll down to watch your own reel. So that's it.
Touch it, touch it, touch it. Shut up and bend.
So that's it. This is how you create a reel on an Instagram. You can even watch it on your own profile by tapping on profile on the bottom right corner. And tap on this reel icon here next to the feed. That's it. This is the reel that you have just shared now. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.